Extreme Foolishness TV here. This is where I talk about extreme foolishness that goes on around you. I got a lot of emails asking me to react to the attorney here in Georgia who said that he didn't want black pastors coming into the courtroom because Al Sharpton came to the courtroom and he had a problem with it. Kevin Gough, the attorney representing one of the defendants in the Gregory McMichael and Travis McMichael trial, the Ahmaud Arbery trial. My first reaction is that Kevin Gough, the attorney, is an extreme fool, obviously, for saying that stupid, foolish comment. That guy acts like a lawyer who does not know what he's doing. And I feel bad for the client. However, as a member of the state bar of Georgia here, this lawyer has brought shame and disrepute to lawyers here in Georgia. This is a lawyer who took an oath to defend the Constitution of the United States. And he went to court asking a judge to make a blanket exclusion of black pastors. That violates the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment off the top. So this is a lawyer who has no respect for the Constitution, who has no respect for the Civil Rights Act, who has no respect for the open courts policies that courts have, allowing the public to come, to stand in the courtroom where you would think where justice is supposed to be blind, to now ask the court to have a blanket exclusion of black pastors is a disgrace, and he's an extreme fool for that statement. He now had the audacity to compare Al Sharpton, a pastor who came to provide comfort to a family member whose son was murdered. He had the audacity to compare that Al Sharpton, the Reverend Al Sharpton, to Klansmen. Jeez. If he will say that stuff in the courtroom, with cameras rolling, 4K cameras, just imagine what this fool will say behind closed doors. I can't begin to imagine what he will say behind closed doors. This guy is not fit to be an attorney. The state bar needs to, at the very least, publicly reprimand him. And more lawyers need to be vocal and condemn this bigoted statement, which is pretty much a racist statement, in my opinion. So Kevin Gough is an extreme fool for that statement. And I hope that he's publicly reprimanded at the very least. He gave some fake apology. I don't buy that apology. The apology was not even genuine. He said, if I offended anyone, you know you offended folks. So, it's just sad. And I'll be giving more commentary on about the trial. I'll be giving more my commentary about that. I don't think I've released any video since the trial started. I need to, make a video about that. But, just keep watching and tuning in. That was just my reaction to the attorney's comment about this whole having a blanket exclusion of black pastors. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Appreciate you guys for watching. Stay safe out there, my friend. Stay away from extreme foolish lawyers like that, Kevin Gough. And most importantly, say no to extreme foolishness.